Now that we're in the Systems Accelerator Manager, on the top right-hand side, you are going to see hi in your name. And then next to that, there's a white circle with your initials. Now, if you click on that white circle, you're going to have a drop-down menu, and we're actually going to go into the profile this time. So once we're in the profile, this is where you're going to start to fill in all of your important details. We're going to start to build out the guts of what we are going to be using inside of the Systems Accelerator Manager. So the very first one is going to be member niche. Now, what is a member niche? Well, oftentimes in real estate, we have specific focuses in different services that we provide. So, for example, my member niche might be working specifically with first-time home buyers, specifically with luxury condos, or specifically with custom construction. So these member niches are all different areas of real estate I focus in. Now, if you have not yet identified them, maybe that's something that you spend a little bit of time thinking about, but I would wager you probably already have those identified. So go ahead and fill in as many of them as you have. Maybe you only work with one specific niche of real estate. Maybe you have several different categories that those fall into. Now, if you, like me, have several different ones, you can actually use a semicolon to separate those, and that is going to allow us to select them a little bit later. And I'll show you exactly what that looks like tomorrow as we build out our very first resource.